there. Hold it and pause. Okay.
Wait.
Taylor, don't get in here. What do you want me to do? Video. Okay. Can I have a medium Coke, please? Huh? Thanks. It's been a what?
I don't know. What were we talking about?
What did she say?
176, I think.
Paying quarters and dimes here.
I wonder what the lady's gonna say.
Don't make it obvious you're taking a fucking video so you think you're like a terrorist or something.
Okay.
Okay. Be like this. Bing! There you go.
Wait, did you see it? I feel like I think it's a gun or something.
Huh?
Huh? What? What?
Go to the club. Oh yeah. At 16 and 13 years old. Said go to the club. My ass. She said $1.70, right? 170. There you go.
Thank you.
You too.